Hello and happy Thanksgiving. Today we're going to be baking a pie. Why am I out of breath? So today I am making a buttermilk pie. The challenge, however, is that I'm a dummy and I've never made a pie before. It could be really not good. Sugar. So here are all our ingredients. So this recipe isn't usually made with a graham cracker crust, but I love graham crackers, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have this pre-made crust. I was thinking pre-made crusts are for dummies who can't bake. They're for people who give up. They're like me. They're for me. I should be using a pre-made crust, but I'm not going to. Graham cracker crust. Ooh, no bake graham cracker crust. That might be the best option. I need to sneeze. How to make a no-bake graham cracker crust. Start by crushing your graham cracker. Where's the recipe? 9 to 10 sheets of graham crackers. That's 9 sheets. I need 2 more sheets. Finely crush I'm doing a no-bake graham cracker crust. Do you think that's good? Mm-hmm. Okay. Finely crush the graham crackers. This is ASMR. It's not good enough. Okay, I don't know if this is finely ground enough, but I'm bored, so I'm gonna move on now. Stir in the granulated sugar. I think sugar just went in my lungs. Pour the melted butter in and stir until... Did you know that when I was little, I would stick my finger in the butter and eat it?
2,000 years later.
It's been a few hours since I made the pie crust because the butter exploded in the microwave and then my camera died. This is the beautiful pie crust I made. So now to help me finish my buttermilk pie, I have a special guest. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, oh my gosh, how did you get here? So here helping me out, I have my mute assistant. That would make me so sad if you don't talk this whole video. Oh, okay, sorry. The important step that I've forgotten is that I don't have the recipe with me. So, ew. My arm is tired. I did it. The next step is to pour in the buttermilk. No? Ugh, smell it.
I'm gonna have to blur out anytime my face is shut and anytime I speak.
Stir in the buttermilk. Ew. Could you stop scraping the fork on the bottom of it? You are gonna lose your job. It's a terrible sound. Pour the buttermilk mixture into the pie shell and bake until top is lightly brown in the center, so that's about 25 minutes. Do you think it'll taste good with a graham cracker crust? Okay, here goes nothing. Did you see that chunk of something? A pie! Now we get to eat it! Happy Thanksgiving! Do you see that? I used my stomach as my third arm. I learned that in culinary school. Into the oven it goes! Could you climb inside the oven to clean it? Yes, Grandma. Here I go. I'm sacrificing for my art. Don't bake my camera. Now we sit here and watch it bake for 25 minutes.
Don't close the oven. What are you doing?
See you in 25 minutes.
Oh, no, please.
Hi. So, here's what happened. It's still like liquid in the middle. Oh, you know what? No, yeah. So it's like liquid in the middle. I made a mistake. The crust, I think all the butter from the crust went into the pie.
Ooh, no bake graham cracker crust.
So the pie didn't set in the oven. So now I have to move out of the country. I promise it's not burnt. This is graham cracker crust. You know what? It could set. It could set.
Yeah.
It could set. It could set. The pie's set. But I think it's gonna taste good. It's kind of ugly. Look, it doesn't even jiggle. It's gonna taste like butter. It's gonna taste like egg. It's gonna taste like milk. Anyways, it's been an eventful day. I'm tired. I think we need to...
Ah, dang it.
Did you not want to let me like finish my sentence? Thanks for watching me make this pie. I think it'll taste good, or maybe it'll make me sad. You have to let me finish my sentence before you... Okay, bye. I'm exposing your face right now.